In previous lectures, we have seen sign up and login process. Now we'll see how to use OTP login, and one more functionality is there, that is a forgot password. So let's first we'll see forgot password functionality, and for that we need to create option from where user can use this. So I'm adding this option in login activity. If you check here, let's add some top margin for this button, like 20 dp. Okay, and we need to add one option for forgot password. So I am adding one text view. Okay, we can reduce this margin to say 8 dp. Then color will be blue, and we need this text at right, so gravity will be right. Here ID will change. Okay, and text will also change. Okay, now we'll create object for this text view. So in login activity, again you need to click you need to right click here, then generate butter knife injections. So this object for this text view will be created. Also we need to add a click listener for this text view, so I am adding that ID here also. .id text underscore forgot password, and we need to add one case for this ID. Okay, now there is one method in Firebase for which you need to pass email ID, and then that functionality will be executed for resetting your password. So first we need to get email here, string email ID equal to edit dot get text. Then we need to check if that email ID is valid or not. Let's change this variable. So if email is empty, then you need to display error message. If email is not empty, then only then only we can proceed with our functionality. So we have one method, that is Firebase dot send password reset email. Okay, and this method requires email as an input parameter, so I am adding it. Dot similarly here also we'll add a completion listener, new completion listener. Completion listener is same for all these methods. So when the method is completed, or when this task is completed, this onComplete method will be called, and here you can check the status. So if task is successful, then you can display a success message like please check your email for resetting password. Okay, and if this method is failed, then we need to display error message. Error resending password. Okay, so this is the method using which you can implement your forgot password functionality. The method is send password reset email, which requires email as an input parameter. Now let's see how it works. Again, I am running this application. After this forgot password, we'll check how we can use OTP login so that our login flow will complete, and then we can move to our next part. Here we are just checking if that email field is empty or not, but you can also add email validation that the user entered email is in correct format or not, that you can add here for validation purpose. So if I click on this forgot password, it will show error like please enter valid email. Now I am entering my email address. So the task is successful. That's why we received this success message. Please check your email. Now you need to check your email address which you entered there. So I am checking my email address here. See, here you received an email from Firebase for resetting your password, and it's saying like follow this link to reset your project password. So you need to click on this link. It will show you a dialog for entering your new password. So I am entering my new password. Okay, and click on the save button. After this, you can check here if I am entering my previous password. It's showing error because we just changed our password. So now I am entering my new password. and now the login successful. So this is how you can use forgot password functionality with Firebase. Now let's see how we can use OTP login.